Often the cocktails we consume at a bar, restaurant, or even at home are creative variations on a classic cocktail. And while these are fun and usually delicious, sometimes it's good to go back to the original. In this series, that's exactly what we intend to do, starting with a Negroni. If I say Negroni, you're likely to think of this. Campari. Campari is an Italian aperitif that is one of the 3 ingredients included in a classic Negroni. The other 2 are sweet vermouth and, of course, gin. A Negroni is one part of each of our 3 ingredients, so this could hardly be more simple. I'm going to use 25 ml of each ingredient. Our online shop plays host to a number of delicious craft gins that would work beautifully in a Negroni. For example, Sibling Negroni Gin. But today we'll be using our gin of the month, all the way from Goa, Stranger & Sons Gin. Quick side note, while it is technically possible to shake a Negroni, as in possible within the laws of gravity and physics, it's also very much frowned upon, so we're not going to do that. We'll kick our Negroni making off with copious amounts of ice. We'll start with 25 ml of gin. Love a cork. Followed by 25 ml of Campari. Last but not least is 25 ml of sweet vermouth. We'll garnish our Negroni with a slice of orange. And there we have a classic Negroni. Cheers!